Well, hello, fellers and fellettes. This is OAM Garage. I'm glad you're here. If you like this kind of stuff, if you will, subscribe and like this kind of stuff, and you and I will get along much better. You can see where I am right now. This is not in yet. Only 2 of the holes line up, and they're crazy, so it'd be jacked up and everything. So I end up having to bend this piece this way because the way it was lined up, it was across this seam right here on the tank.
Why don't you put your screwdriver right there in that tack? So if you need one later, you can get it.
I know it was the right one. So I'll go get another one. Alright, this up on here. Tighten it down, hopefully. Never leak.